Hello, my name is Vas and welcome to iSky Tech channel. Today in this video I'm gonna talk about the DJI Avata, my first impression when I got this drone. So we're gonna start with DJI Avata drone itself, then we're gonna move to DJI goggles Integra and the motion controller. To be honest, I don't really like it. And finally the manual controller. So in this channel I'm gonna explain what I like about them, the quality of them. To be honest, I still haven't flown the drone yet and I'm still practicing in the simulator, but I really hope the weather will gonna get a bit better and then I'll be flying this drone. So yes, let's move on. Okay, so let's have a look at the drone itself now. As you can see, the DJI Avata in front of you, and looks, well, my personal first impression was good, and I said, wow, it's a good drone to fly. Sadly, I still haven't flown this drone, and I really hope the weather will gonna get better so I can fly. Anyway, so back to the subject. Drone itself looks good. You got two sensors at the bottom, so one here, one here. To be said, they couldn't add up more. What else? The camera. So you're gonna have to take the cover off, and you're gonna see the camera here. I have to wipe it down. And well, looks solid. It's not that bad. I'm gonna put this one back. I don't really like this cover. It's like, as you can see, them little things here, when you put on the drone, it scratches the frames. So you can see it scratches the frames here on the sides. I don't know if they probably they could think about that. So yeah, let's put this one back. As you can see, it's a bit, oh, it's a bit stiff. Also, what I don't like about this camera is the location where they put the SD card and USB. It's literally here. So to get to it, you're gonna have to struggle a bit. Open this one, which is, it's not as easy as you think. I already got my SD card in there. As you can see, I'm gonna have to move this propellers to get this one fully open. As you can see now, it's fully open. And well, to get to the SD card, it's a bit of a struggle. And let's put it back. So yeah, apart from that, the drone itself looks good, and the quality looks, it's not cheap plastic. It looks solid plastic, just in case you crash it. The battery, let's have a look at the battery. It's a bit hard to get the battery off. As you can see, here you go, the battery is off now. And you're gonna have to push these two clips, I believe, to get it out from the drone. And here you go, the drone without battery. It looks like an empty frame, isn't it? And it's more lighter. Let's put this one back. As you can see, put it back, you have to push it, and then you're gonna have here this to put this connector. You're gonna have to put inside and push it hard. Here you go, all done. Yeah. So that's the drone itself, guys. Well, my first impression was good, and I'm really upset and frustrated that I still haven't flown this drone, and I really hope I'm gonna fly this drone soon. And let's move to the DJI goggles. So these are the DJI goggles Integra. As you can see, the reason I purchased them is because I wanted to be compatible with DJI Mini 3 Pro, and to be honest, I'm happy with them. It's my first time trying FPV, and I can't really make full review on this goggles. I know there's like DJI goggles too and other, but them are my first goggles, so I'm still waiting to try them. The quality of the goggles looks not bad. I think that the battery, so if you want to extend around your head, you're gonna have to turn this adjustable. Why I don't like it in front is the quality of them. I thought they're metal, but I don't know, I'm still not sure if they're metal. If you're gonna push it slightly, you're gonna feel it like it's coming off, and you have to be very careful. Also, what I don't like about the goggles is them antennas. You can't really take them off as from our DJI goggles. Apart from that, they're not bad. What I also don't like is them lenses. As I'm wearing glasses, I need special lenses for my eyes, and them seems plastic. Apart from that, it looks alright. It's not bad. I think this foam is a bit cheap quality, as you can see here. That's your SD slot. It's literally in front of your eyes. But yeah, here it's adjustable for your eyes as well. If you want to, well, to adjust according to your head and eyes, that's where they're located. Apart from that, guys, the DJI goggles Integra looks not bad. I think they'll be expensive, but it is what it is. I think that's DJI. Anyway, let's move to DJI motion controller. To me, it looks like a little toy for kids, and I've tried only once with a DJI Mini 3 Pro. The experience, I think this is for someone who just started FPV, someone like me, I think. But I'm still practicing. The quality looks, well, it's a DJI, so it seems not bad plastic. I don't think there's much to talk about this DJI motion controller. It just hold in your hand and just, well, control your John, and that's it. Let's move to this one on the side and change to DJI manual FPV controller. So this is the FPV DJI controller, manual controller. To be honest, I really like this. It feels like an Xbox. I never played Xbox or PlayStation, so it's my first kind of joystick. The quality for this DJI manual controller seems to be good. I really like it, and I really like them joysticks. You got your charger here, and you got them little bits here and here, and apart from that, it seems to be good quality to me. Anyway, guys, I think that's my first impression about all this stuff from DJI Avata. And to be honest, I'm really happy with the purchase. I'm just not happy that I still haven't flown the drone yet. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this content, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.